Hi, my name is Chubby, and my wife and I came in to have a consultation and yesterday, and I was thinking, I don't think this is really for me because it kind of feels too much like a girl thing. But as I listened to all of the services that were offered, I thought, okay, maybe we should sign up and try something. So I don't know, what did I do with this again? This is the dough thing?
Yes, we rolled on the face.
Oh yeah, so we roll it on the face and I don't know. I don't know what they did in there. I was in there for 3 hours, and I'm telling you, man, it was awesome. I had an out-of-body experience. I am not kidding you. I felt like about 10 years just went right out of me. I don't know how I look, but I'm telling you, I hope it's good. I haven't seen myself in the mirror yet, but I tell you, the experience was absolutely fabulous. And I think it's the hidden secret of women. I don't think they want to share this with men. Don't worry, I'm sharing it with you. I'm telling you. Guys, wake up. You guys got to come in and get some services. Don't we all want to look younger? Why is that only just for the women? Take it from me, come to this place. It is awesome. Can we sign up for services now?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's go sign up. Come on.